Hi, this is Ian Khan. In this video, we're going to talk about digital twins. The name says it all. Digital twins. Digital twins. Imagine an industry, and let's take, for example, the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing is a very complex industry, from aerospace to manufacturing equipment to goods. Different manufacturing industries have a different level of complexity. And when it comes to upgrading infrastructure, to test different scenarios, to test processes, and to test this plant and any changes that might need to be done to it in terms of upgrades, in terms of modifications, it's very expensive to do that in the plant, because you might have to switch off the plant, you might have to change many things, install many new equipments, and then test. With a digital twin, you can have a digital representation of this entire plant, entire manufacturing plant in a digital form, where all the processes will be input, all the different scenarios can be input, and you can actually see what impact would installing something new have, changing or modifying processes would have. Imagine an industry such as aerospace, where it's really expensive to manufacture airplanes and turbines and construct them, where in digital twins you can have an exact representation of that industry and make modifications online or on the computer using technology without actually making those changes in the actual plant. This has a huge cost-saving impact, creates efficiency, and helps industry become more efficient. This is the idea of digital twins, and it can be expanded into multiple different industries, from manufacturing to aerospace, automobile manufacturing, and tons of other industries.